Very sweet good morning, my dear students. Today I have brought a topic that is related to the writing section of class 10th, 11th, 12th. That topic is notice writing. You know, dear students, this is one of the most important topics that comes in the board class examination. It contains 5 marks, and you would be very glad to know that in very short span of the time you could get 5 marks. You must give your entire attention. What things, what instructions, what clues I am going to give you. Just have a notice on the board. These are the important points. Before writing a notice, you must keep these points in your mind so that you could write a very good and sophisticated notice. The first point is, a notice is always written in a box. I mean to say, as you write anything on the whiteboard, green board, blackboard in your school, that board has a border like this. This is the border of the board. The same, the border of the notice is very essential, important. Okay? A notice is always written in a box. Border means box. This is the box. Okay? First point clear. Second, the name of organization, institution is written in capital letters. There is actually some contradiction in some books. In some books, it is given that name of the organization, name of the institution, name of the school, etc. is written in a running hand. Running hand means like this. Okay? But most of the books, renowned books, and the experience of teachers say that name of the organization, institution is written in capital letters. Capital letter में नाम लिखा जाएगा. Suppose I am PGT of SBRL Senior Secondary Academy. I would put that name SBRL Senior Secondary Academy in capital letter. Then our notice would have a very attractive view. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. That will draw our attention. जब capital letter में, block letters में कुछ भी लिखा जाता है, it means that it is special, that is different from all other things. Okay? Name of organization, institution is written in capital letters. मैंने ये भी बताया कैपिटल में भी लिखा जा सकता है और आप रनिंग हैंड में भी इसको लिख सकते हैं. Third point is, it must be dated. It means after writing the name and address of the institution, you are supposed to put date. Okay? The date on which you are going to write a notice. Okay. Next point. It should have the title, which is not a complete sentence. Very good point. Please give your attention on this point. It should have the title, which is not a complete sentence. That title should be in subject pattern. Suppose if you are going to write a notice regarding inter-house dance competition, it means you are supposed to write the title inter-house dance competition. Okay, heading means that title inter-house dance competition, join extra classes, organizing donation camp, etc., etc. Okay, means the title that is not in full sentence, but by the title everybody can understand that about which topic the notice is going to be written. Okay? Next point. It should always have the name, the designation and the signature of issuing authority. Before this, body of the notice. Body of the notice giving 5 relevant details. Suppose it is informed to all the students of our academy that an inter-house dance competition is going to be held on such date at such time in such place, or different places, campus, premises, okay, library, etc. As a notice usually announces an upcoming events, celebration, etc. Upcoming events and celebrations. Okay? Future events. You would tell to your students with the help of notice about a future event that is supposed to be held. Okay? जो होने वाली इवेंट है उसके बारे में आप उसको बताएंगे, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था. Yeah, one thing more. When we start notice, there are many lines. Okay? All the students of our school are hereby informed. There is an information to all the students of our school. Okay? It is noticed to all the students of our school that after that the notice will be started. Okay? That an inter-house football competition, dance competition, singing competition, etc. is going to be held on such date, at such time, in such place. Okay? Future time reference is used while writing a notice. Future time. We are writing a notice to tell others about the future event. Okay? A notice should have all the details related to that event. It must have an answer to what, when, why, where and how. This thing I have told my dear students, what is going to be held? Inter-house dance competition going to be held. When? On such date. Okay? Next week, etc. Why? It means our school is organizing. Where? In our school premises, campus, etc. The information should be presented accurately and consistent.
Continue.
Next point. The information should be presented accurately and consistent. Means the information that you are going to give others by your notice should be presented accurately. Date, time, venue. Okay? Date, time, venue. These all the things must be mentioned in the notice so that people could understand what information you want to convey. Okay? The language should be official. Language should be official. Means in very sophisticated way you are supposed to put your information in your notice. Okay? Just I am giving you an example so that you could understand. Suppose the heading SPRL Senior Secondary Academy name. Okay? After that heading is inter-house singing competition. Inter-house singing competition. Okay? It is informed to all the students of our school that an inter-house singing competition is going to be held on such date, such time, and the venue is also required in our school premises, in our school campus, in theatre hall, etc. After that, those students who want to participate in this competition, these are the addressing lines. Those students who want to participate in this competition must give their names to the undersigned. Undersigned means the signing authority. Okay? Okay? A head boy, head girl, principal, director, and the authority that would be told you in the question. Question में आपको वो दे दिया जाएगा. You are the head boy, you are the principal, director of the academy, etc. So that designation is called undersigned. Means आप जो नीचे साइन करेंगे, संजय यादव head boy, Sanjay Yadav PGT, Sanjay Yadav director, etc. Okay? This is the signing authority. Okay? Those students who want to participate in this competition should give their names to the undersigned. To me, to him, to them. No, this is not proper way. The language should be official. It means the students who are supposed to want to participate in this competition should give their name to the undersigned. Means the language must be official. Okay? ये भी कह सकते हैं मुझे दे दे, ये भी कह सकते हैं उनको दे दे, ठीक है? But ये this is not official language, ठीक है? To the undersigned, ठीक है? वहाँ पे आपका नाम लिखा जाएगा, एक डेजिग्नेशन आपका होगा, ठीक है? ये एक प्रॉपर वे आपका नोटिस लिखने के लिए, ओके? Some other instructions also I want to convey to you all that notice is a particular topic, is a unique topic. Before writing this, if you are skilled in writing notice, all the things must be there in your mind. लिखने से पहले हर चीज आपके दिमाग में जैसे ही as you put the heading or subject of the notice, it means regarding that heading, all the things must be there in your mind. So, in very quickly or in very short span of the time, because in examination you are in haste, because within 3 hours you are supposed to complete the entire question paper, then it means related to the topic, related to the heading, all the things must be there in your mind. All the things must be there in your pocket. After writing the heading, follow these all the points, you draw out all the things and put in the form of body of the notice. After that, your designation of your name and finish. It means if you will follow all these things, if you will know all these things, it means you can complete this topic notice within that time. Okay? Now, dear students, you are supposed to write 3 notices yourself, using these all the points, using name of the different schools, using different headings, topics, etc. After that, you would see that you would be able to complete this topic within the time and would be able to get very good marks in the examination. Okay? This is your homework. Okay. Nothing else. Everything I have told you. Designation, full name, body of the notice, okay, heading, date, name, in which letter, how to write, which things, what, when, why, where, okay, and official language. These all the things are really very important to write a very good notice. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.